Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today we are going to solve many of these kind of questions. In fact, there will be these kind of questions also we will be able to solve literally orally. Okay, all you need to understand is just basic tricks. Okay, so your the question goes is find the greatest, and basically the questions are 2 raised to 360, 3 raised to 120, 4 raised to 240 and 5 raised to 180. Now students, understand these kind of questions are almost part of all of these entrances like GMAT, SAT, ACT, all of that. Okay, so and apart from that, this is a basic knowledge which you should have. While looking at the question, you will be able to solve them in literally 2 seconds or probably instantly. All you have to do is in this particular one, okay, for these two there is a trick I will explain, but for this particular one what you have to do is just understand what is the common multiple. What is the common multiple? When you look closely, this is 360, this is 120, this is 240 and this is 180. So I can say 10 is the definite common multiple, which is 10. Okay, when you remove 10, so basically you're removing the zeros. So here we're left with 36, 12, 24 and 18. Now all of them are even numbers and all of them are divisible by 3. Means actually all of them are divisible by 6, correct? So why? Because any even number which is divisible by 3 as well is basically an number which is divisible by 6. Okay, so here I can say that 6 into 10, that is 60, is my common factor. So what you do is you divide all of these indices by 60. So here you will be left with what? 2 raised to 6. Here you will be left with 3 raised to 2. This is 4 raised to 4, and this is 5 raised to 3. Now like we know that 2 raised to 6 is nothing but what? 64, right? Because 2 raised to 64. Why? Because 2 raised to 5 is 32 into 2 will get you 64. This is what? 3 square, which is 9. 4 raised to 4, that gets you what? 64 into 4, that gets you 256, correct? So and 5 cube gets you 125. So according to that logic, what is the highest? The highest is 256. So I can say that 4 raised to 4 is the highest amongst the all. Then similarly, what should be the lowest? Lowest will be what? 3 square. So this is my lowest and this is my highest. Okay, I hope you'll have understood this. Students, if you like the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Okay, so now coming to this one. Also before beginning with this, I would like to remind all of y'all, at the end of this video I'm going to put up a DIY question whose answers y'all can mention in the comment section. Okay, and I'll definitely give a heart to the answer which is correct. Okay, so whenever you have something like this, like there is a root, there is again a root in all of these, and then there is a plus sign, then in that case what you should do is you should try adding the numbers. 8 plus 3 gets you 11, 6 plus 5 gets you again 11, and 9 plus 2 gets you 11. In such a scenario, what you should do is, in order to find which is the greatest, or even if you had to find the smallest one, then what you have to do, very simple, you just do the product. The product of 8 into 3 gets you 24. The product of 6 into 5 gets you 30. 9 into 2 gets you 80. Now please understand that the product which is the highest becomes your highest value. So there I can say 30 is the highest, so this one will become my highest value. Okay, and the product which is the least will become the lowest. So here I can say amongst the two, 18 is the lowest, so this one will become the lowest value. Students, in case you have not still subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button to get notified whenever I push up a new video. This channel is specifically dedicated to mathematics. Okay, so in case you have any doubts related to any topic in mathematics, please put a comment in the comment section, or you can even email me. I will definitely try to solve your doubts, or probably even make a video of the same. Okay, so now please understand, for those of you all who must have thought that acha, in case of this we had added, so here let's subtract. Yes, you're right, you have to subtract and check if you're getting the same number. Okay, in case of getting the same number, then please understand you do not have to multiply. This particular rule doesn't apply for this one. This is a bit different than what we have done previously, so I would want all of y'all to pay quick attention. Okay, so here again I know the difference is what, 2, difference is 2. Now, like I said, here you do not have to get into the hassle of multiplication. In fact, students, the subtraction part is much easier than this one also. You do not have to do anything. Just check if the subtraction is coming out to be the same number throughout. Then what you have to do is, you just have to pick the numbers which are like the highest. So what is the highest number over here? 13 is my highest. So this one will become my highest value of these particular given roots. Okay, now very quickly let's do one more. Okay, so let's say we had root of 2 plus root of 13, and let's say root of 12 plus root of 3, and we had root of 10 plus root of 5. Again the addition, all three addition is coming out to be what, 15, correct? So we have to just do the product. 2 into 13 gets you 26, this one gets you 36, and this one gets you 50. So according to that, I can say that this particular roots, these two sum of roots is going to get me the highest value. And what will be my lowest value? The lowest value will be this one, right? Because the product is the least in this particular two roots. Okay, now students, time for your DIY. Okay, I'm going to give you a question which is like really very simple, and I want you to use the trick given in the video to solve this one. Okay, so tell me, which is the greatest? 2 raised to 250, 3 raised to 150, 5 raised to 100, and 4 raised to 200. Do let me know your answers in the comment section. So that's it for today. I will very soon see you in the next video. Till then, do like and subscribe and share these videos with your friends.